Often you end up with these little sort of half-eaten bags of pasta. So if you're getting lots of little bags with only a little bit in, that isn't enough to make a meal, combine them, and then next time you make a soup, you can just throw some pasta in at the last sort of 10 minutes and it'll make a nice kind of minestrone and use up all that pasta.
And this week we are talking about drama-free dinners. And when I'm talking about that, I'm talking about the emotions of meal times. Now, I really hope that since you started this course, you've had lots of positive emotions. So you're feeling proud, you're feeling creative, you're feeling like you've done something really good for yourself and the people you cook for. But reality is, we all know there's lots of negative emotions that crop up around cooking, around sitting at a table. And this week, I want to help you tackle some of those, because if we can minimize some of those negatives and maximize some of the positives, you are going to enjoy cooking more often.
So frozen peas, frozen corn, frozen spinach, all of those things you can either just defrost in a bowl, or what I often do is, if I'm making like a pasta sauce or a risotto, and we're all starving and we want to eat quickly, I'll put a handful of frozen peas or frozen spinach in, and then as the heat of the risotto or the sauce defrosts the veg brings down the temperature of the sauce or the risotto.
I hope by now you're starting to feel like the kitchen is getting a little bit more under control. Your store cupboard is sorted out, you've got your fridge and freezer organised, you've got your stock take done, and hopefully you've also started doing some meal planning. So I hope you're really starting to see the benefit of this extra bit of organisation.